Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Sky Painter Fireworks. We are in the fireworks business for more than 18 years. I have been working here for more than 13 years. Today, I would like to introduce one item from our Sky Painter line. Sky Painter line is one of our competitive price line. Everybody can afford it. Today, I would like to introduce one item. It's 500 gram. The name is Mission Control, and the name is designed by one of our friends from Facebook, Jack Davidson. Thank you very much for your input, and we really appreciate it. For this item, it is combined with lots of different gold effects, silver effects, and neon colors like Thai gold coconut change to red with green, and also you can see brocade with white and red stroke. Also you will see different red, blue, green mines with comet, and also you will see red, green swimming stars. So it is mixed with a lot of different colors with this 36 short 500 gram Mission Control. If you have any good names for fireworks, we will be happy to put on our label and put your name here. So everybody know you helped us to design the name of the item. So I'm Summer from Sky Painter Fireworks. We are your professional partner if you are looking for any new suppliers, or if you are looking for some good items, welcome to contact with us freely and anytime. Let's take a look of the Mission Control. See you next time. Bye bye.